to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I am going to teach you the piano part to I'm Blue Dabba Diva Dabba Die by Eiffel 65. Been a little bit ill, so apologies for my nasally voice. This gets requested quite a bit, so I'm finally doing it. I've left my other dance track tutorial playlist link down below as well, so go and check that out. So I'll teach you the main piano part, which repeats in different synths and instruments, and obviously he sings it, and then I'll teach you the odd little verse part as well, with the bass line and the chords. They're the two main sections that you need to play the entire song should you want to. So here's middle C as a reference. This one is in the key of G minor, so on the top screen are all the notes of the scale of G minor, so these are the notes we're mostly using for the piano part at the beginning. So listen up, here's the story. I'll do each hand separately, so the right hand is orange and the left hand is blue on the screen there. We're going to start with the right hand first. So all the notes are on the screen. So we have first of all B flat, D, G, B flat, C, F, A, B flat, and then you wait, G, B flat, D, E flat, G, D, C. So do all that again. And then you do that, as you can see on the screen, you do that 3 times we've just played. And then the last little bit, we have B flat, D, G, B flat, A, C, F, G, and that's held. And then to repeat all of that again, we play E flat, F, G, hold, F, G, A. So I'll just go through the second part that's on the second half of the screen there. And then you repeat it from the top of that page again. So you repeat that first one we did 3 times. And then we go on to this last bit again. And then it stops there. So for the left hand, there's only really like bass notes. So I'm gonna play for the intro, and you can play it differently for the chorus, like this, like alternating octave notes. You don't have to play in octaves, obviously, if you can't stretch octaves. Just play the lowest note that you have. It's a low synth sound. So the only notes that we need is G, F, E flat, C. So I'm going to play it from the beginning and then tell you when the left hand notes come in. So they're both coming together with the G and the B flat. F's with the C, E flat by itself whilst we're holding this B flat down, and then C with the E flat. And you do all of that 2 more times. this next bit we have the G again, and then F with the A, and then the E flat, and then to do that repeat we play the right hand, hold. So we don't go to the C on that fourth time, if you like. So I'll just go again from the second line. Left. Hold. And then you repeat all of that again from the beginning. So I'll just continue. Bit, and that is the intro. So if I play it a bit quicker, so that is the intro. For the chorus, as I said before, you could play the left hand like that if you wanted. So you're not playing the octaves at the same time, you're alternating between them just to give it more of a beat basically, because it's the chorus. So to give you an example. If I play that very slowly, remember you can slow videos down and equally speed them up on YouTube. So if you want to try that, so playing the left hand in like double time with the octaves. So we have... So more often than not, both hands are coming in at the same time. We just have to watch for those parts where the right hand waits on a note, but then the left hand changes by itself. So because this is repeated twice, so what I just played there very slowly, when it comes to repeat there's this A, so that I'm blue, and there is this like pickup A note that goes into the repeat. So the if you want to try to mimic it's like a delay on the G, you could keep playing that obviously manually with your hand, but make it a bit softer each time if you wanted to add that effect in there as well. So really I think that's all I can really cover for that part, because that's all that really repeats. It's either played on the piano, he's either singing it, or it's played on the synth after the chorus. So there's one more section to look at, which is the verse, which is completely different. It sounds quite ominous. So if I play it, it's mostly a bass line. The bass line then is playing off beat, so it's going 1 and 2 and, so D's and then F's, 3 and 4 and G sharps, 1 and 2 and 3, and then B flat to A and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 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 and 4 and then halfway through the verse, the right hand comes in with these two chords. So it's a B flat major, but it's a first inversion, so it's D, F and B flat, and then the B flat turns to A, so we get a D minor, D, F, A root position. So I'm actually just going to demonstrate the verse with vocals. They're not going to be great vocals because I'm still a bit poorly. I have a blue house with a blue window. Blue is the colour of all that I wear. Blue are the streets and all the trees are too. I have a girlfriend and she is so blue. Blue are the people here that walk around. Blue like my COVID is sitting inside. Blue are the words I say and what I think. Blue are the feelings that live inside me. And then it's off there. So the right hand comes in then, so in the second half of the verse, when we play this part, we have, which sounds odd, but it's fleeting, A with the B flat major, and then the right hand comes in on beat 1 with the D minor. Together, left, right, left, left. So that's how that fits together. Of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.